Welcome to Baz Travels. After driving 14,826 kilometers through 24 states and Washington DC, I've seen rocket launches to the Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam. I've explored Route 66, ghost towns, deserts, snow, and beaches on both coasts. From Vegas casinos to Alcatraz, the White House to Hollywood. Join me for a journey of the ordinary and the extraordinary.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
The Grand Canyon's history began long before it was ever seen as a landmark. This landscape has been shaped for millions of years, but it has also been lived in for thousands. Long before modern borders, Indigenous people inhabited this region, adapting to an environment that has demanded precision and knowledge. Archaeological evidence shows human presence here going back at least 12,000 years. Early inhabitants learned how to survive in a place defined by extremes. They followed seasonal patterns, moved between elevations, and relied on deep familiarity with water sources, plants, and animal behaviour. Life here was not permanent in one spot, it was responsive to the land. Over time, more structured societies emerged. Ancestral Puebloan groups built dwellings, storage structures, and farming areas along the canyon's rim and tributaries. They cultivated crops, traded across long distances, and left behind rock art, tools, and architecture that still remain. The canyon was not an obstacle, it was a network. Trails connected the rim to the river. Trade routes crossed regions that now seem isolated. Knowledge moved through the canyon just as people did. For Indigenous cultures, the canyon was not defined by its size, but by its meaning. It was part of a broader spiritual and cultural landscape embedded with stories, origins, and identity. The land was not separate from life, it was inseparable from it. Geologically, the canyon records far deeper time. Layer upon layer of rock preserves nearly 2 billion years of Earth's history. Oceans advanced and retreated. Deserts formed and vanished. Rivers carved slowly downward, exposing the past as they went. What makes the Grand Canyon unique is not just how deep it is, but how much time it reveals. It is a visible archive where ancient human presence exists along ancient stone. The canyon did not begin as a destination. It began as a lived-in landscape shaped by patience, movements, and long-term relationships with the land.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.